This is a rabbit that I got earlier today with my 22 caliber air rifle, but I'm gonna show you guys how to skin a rabbit. So I'm gonna save the meat from this and I'm gonna skin this nice rabbit up. It's a really nice one. So I'm gonna get skinning it and show you how. So you basically want like a nice rope to hang it from. So I'm gonna hang it from this. And then you want to just make like a lasso right here. And then put the back legs in there and tighten it. Cinch that down really nice and hard. So then the rabbit will stay on like that. And you can do the other one. So basically just like that. The legs are right here, and then you could easily get in here and get the meat out and skin it. With a sharp knife, I'm going to just use my pocket knife. It's really sharp. Then you want to just go around here and get the outside skinned. Go around each of the legs to get the skin separated from the meat. You want to, rabbit skin is really easy to pull, so it's really easy to skin. You can basically do it without a knife. See that? Then you want to go up here and just start taking it down. And then to do the tail and stuff, you can basically just pull this whole thing down. It's like that. See that? That's the meat that you want. Rabbit is really good eating. Use this razor to get the back straps out. Basically what you want to do is cut along the spine. There's a lot of meat here and here, so you want to get all that out. Got, this is the other back quarter, but got a nice bag full of meat, and this meat is really nice and it'll be really good eating. But this is how you skin a rabbit properly and clean it and butcher it. I'm sure there's many faster ways, but this is the way that I've gotten good at. So I'll see you on the next video.